Hi, welcome back to Curry Soup. Today I'm going to be explaining to you everything you need to know about diabetes. If you had the wrong understanding about diabetes or you didn't know what diabetes is, today I'll be giving you a full explanation of what it is and how it affects us. So, let's get straight into it. Most of us already know this, but just to revise this, we have two main types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. They are both very different but equally serious. On top of this, there are also other types of diabetes which are less common. For example, neonatal diabetes, gestational diabetes, Modi diabetes, Wolfram syndrome, Alstrom syndrome. But what they all have in common is they all cause an increase in glucose in circulating blood. And that's one of the main reasons behind all the symptoms you see in diabetes. Glucose is good, glucose is important, that's where we get our energy from. But just having glucose alone is not enough. That's where insulin comes in. Insulin is a hormone created by our own pancreas. Think of insulin like a key, and in front of every cell, there's a door which is locked. Insulins are the key which unlocks the cells so that the glucose can be accepted, can be used by the cells. In a healthy person, this is how consumption of glucose happens. If you don't have diabetes, whenever you eat something, the pancreas will start noticing the rise in glucose level inside the blood. And with the rise of glucose level, the pancreas will release appropriate amount of insulin inside the bloodstream so that all this glucose can be converted into usable or storable form of glucose. If you have diabetes, however, this system does not work. In type 1 diabetes, the body does not produce any insulin at all. This means the body is not producing the key needed to unlock the cells so that this glucose can be used. In type 2 diabetes, the production of this insulin is either very low or it's faulty. That means the key's shape does not match the door's shape. This is the reason glucose does not get utilized in type 2 diabetes. In both these situations, the problem is the glucose cannot enter the cell, and as a result, it starts building up in the bloodstream, and this is where most of the symptoms and complications come in. I've already mentioned this in the previous video of the symptoms of diabetes, so I'll be very quick here. Frequent urination, incredible thirst, feeling tired all the time, unexplained weight loss, urinary tract infection, and also slow healing wounds. But these are all just symptoms of diabetes. If diabetes isn't controlled properly, the blood sugar level isn't controlled properly, and the glucose level in the blood remains high for a very long period of time, we also have other complications which come along with this. Long periods of high glucose level in your blood will seriously damage the eyes, the heart, the kidney, and the feet. This is called complications of diabetes. But with the right treatment and care, people can lead a healthy life and reduce the chances of these complications drastically. If you never understood diabetes before this, I hope this video gave you full clarity on what it is and how it affects us. If you found anything on this video valuable at all, if you learned anything at all I ask is share this video with a friend or a family member. Spread the knowledge. If you haven't subscribed yet, just smash the subscribe button down there and click on the bell icon, because YouTube's algorithm is changing all the time and we want to make sure that our videos come and reach you. Until the next informative video, in anything you do, do your best and be the best version of yourself. Bye-bye.